home is as children what we saw. That subconsciously becomes our home for life. क्योंकि वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई और वहाँ पे हमारी मे बी जड़ें हैं. All these years I've been doing various things, and when I go there, then I know, oh, I meet myself. Home is where you meet yourself. Hello, this is Sunil Grover, and you're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home. Aajao. Aye, come. Hello, welcome to my home. This is where I live. This is the living room. यहाँ मैं खाता हूँ, वहाँ मैं बैठता हूँ, और ये 2 floors हैं. Hello. और घर के अंदर जाने से पहले मैं आपको ये दिखा देता हूँ कि यहाँ पे ये हैंड पेंट किया हुआ है सब, और जो मैंने नहीं किया है, एक आर्टिस्ट ने किया है. वहाँ पे एक पेड़ भी लगाया हुआ है जिसको पानी देने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि वो पेंटिंग है. This is, of course, where I like to sit this way because the whole view is at your disposal. You feel like a king sometimes. Aarti kept these glass windows. The reason is कि सामने जो view है वो kitchen से भी दिखे. बाकी मुझे तो इसमें मजा आता है. ये ऐसा घूमता है. ये इस तरह के डिज़ाइन अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. खाना बनाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. पर जो मैं बनाता हूँ लोगों को खाना नहीं अच्छा लगता. I started with 1-room kitchen apartment, and where it was a rented apartment. I was equally happy. But then I added, after 2 years or maybe 3 years, 1 bedroom, and next year 1 more bedroom. Doesn't matter how many bedrooms or the carpet area that you have. You should be happy. And I was equally happy when I was living in rented apartment, and till I'm happy to have a home in Mumbai. In itself, it's not an easy thing. With the kripa of Mata Mumba Devi, I was welcomed, and I have a home that's beautiful. Now I will talk about my passion for books. This is one of my favorite books. Yatha Sambhav, शरद जोशी जी की लिखी हुई बुक है. मुझे उनके निबंध हैं इसके अंदर, ऐसे व्यंग्य से भरी हुई बुक है. ये भी पढ़ना आप जरूर. ये स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं, और जब एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट होती है तो आप अपने आप पढ़ते चले जाते हो, और जब बीच में ऐसे खुजली होने लगे कहीं कहीं बीच पढ़ते पढ़ते, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. मैंने 1-2 किए. Welcome to the upper floor. What I love the most about this house is the doors, the way Aarti's made it, the way the carving has been done. I quite like it. Let me show you a very interesting part of this house which I really love. Blackboard. So this is one of my favorite spots in the house. This is a TV room. Soundproofing है यहाँ पे, and this reminds me of my voiceover days. Recording मैं करने जाता था. वही memories फिर से आती हैं. So we create our past in our present sometimes. So this is a very special place where I'm standing, because from here all the places where I lived earlier are visible. It's like an album. The whole journey is visible from here, right in front of me. Aarti's here. Aarti's my wife, and she's designed the house.
Because you didn't have any option.
Yeah. So tell us more about the house, Aarti.
So it has to be, heart-pleasing, eye-pleasing. Every time you come, you should feel good. We go everywhere in India, outside India. Whenever we are back home, we feel, wow, this is our home. The best part about the house is the sunlight, the morning sunlight, which makes each and every day getting up really worthwhile. And also the house is very airy because it has like cross ventilation, the east opening, the west opening, so which makes the place very airy. And the unusual part about the house is the kitchen. But the kitchen area is comparatively very cool and it's so nice because it has a west opening. And the kitchen tiles, which are like Moroccan design tiles, which also very much goes like a South Indian Rangoli design.
Yeah.
Upholstery, I wanted a very non-attention taking for 2 sofas, and one I wanted real bright and very geometric design. And we made this house to please ourselves. We never, kind of tried to impress anyone. And home is the place where you stay, so it should be appealing and making you happy.
It doesn't matter how big your house is. What matters is the feeling, the people that you want to come back to, and sense of belonging, and that comes with people. Be it your parents, wife, child, whoever. तो खुशी इस बात से लगता था, अरे वाह, एक बेडरूम और बढ़ गया, अरे 2 बेडरूम वाला घर हो गया. वो धीरे धीरे करके चलता रहा, लेकिन उससे आप खुशी मेजर नहीं कर सकते. उससे आप अपना कारपेट एरिया मेजर कर सकते हो. सिर्फ खुशी सिर्फ घर होने में, वो किसी भी साइज का हो. हर घर कुछ कहता है, और इस घर में मैं चाहता हूँ जितने लोग रहते हैं उससे डबल खाना बने. मतलब जो रहते हैं वो डबल नहीं खाएं, बल्कि और लोग आए और बैठ के हंसें. ढोल की छेना बजते रहना चाहिए. सेलिब्रेशन ऑन. If you are inspired by our home's decor, go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints for a lovely style guide.
All right, can you do that once more? You can just play it and then you go.